Hello, I'm a new storm chaser in Melon Sandbox. And I will show you my vehicle. Okay, look. I present Jeepter.
I'm going to deploy.
Here the tornado comes.
250 plus miles per hour. I am still alive. The tornado is gone.
I undeployed.
Oh. By noobs. Farts. Ha 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 ha.